What's up guys, Major here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be learning how you can change the tips of your earbuds or your AirPods or whatever. So this is the AirPods I'm going to be using. This is the Hekate GM3 gaming earbuds. So first of all, you get it out, you get the earbuds out, and then you have to get the tips you want to replace. So for that, I think I have a smaller ear hole, so I'm going to be using the smallest type. So what you can do is you can see them here. These are all the tips, right? So I'm going to be using the smallest one. So what I'm going to be doing is you're going to hold it gently. You're going to hold it gently, and then you pull it out gently. It's going to be slippery. Just pull it out gently like this. You can see it's out, and I'm going to be taking this one. I'm going to be replacing it. So you can just put it back slowly, and you put it back. Good. You can see it's back. You see, and all you have to do is do the same thing with the other ear. So you pull it out, right, and you replace it with the new one. So put it back in. This is actually difficult to record and do, but yeah. You have to make sure that it's very tight, or else it might just fall off. So yeah, this is how you change. So this is good as new. So this is how you change the tips of your earbuds. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.